Hi, I'm Carol from Germany, but my heart really lies in Scotland. My passion is photography. About a year ago, I decided to turn my hobby into a business. And during this journey, I learned a lot about photography, gear, how to run my own business, and creativity. During this time of crisis, it's hard for freelancers like me to sustain their business. Being at home though, doesn't make me less creative. So from now on, I want to share with you behind the scenes videos of how I create my art, photography and business related video tutorials, as well as phone and desktop wallpapers with positive slogans. If you can, please help support my projects and business. In doing so, you will gain access to exclusive video and photography content, as well as some special discounts on photo shootings and prints. Thanks so much for listening, and I hope to welcome you soon on Patreon.